with our new investment initiative, we're engaging now with public safety to get inputs on where coverage is needed so that it can inform our future coverage expansion. Public safety's input helps us identify areas that could have significant importance or impact to public safety. We get an understanding of where there's priorities or where we can make impacts more immediately as opposed to enhancements that perhaps could come later on.
Coverage workshops like today are critically important so that we can bring together people who are serving the public directly in the public safety community, and helps us understand each other's challenges and identify ways to move forward. Today we talked about a number of things. Some were new to me, and I think that's the value of bringing people together in this environment, is discover what might seem to be unimportant or small issues to one person, resonate across the room, or maybe identify areas where we really need to focus. So it's a very valuable conversation. Engagement is what produces progress. The partnerships that you build with your service providers, FirstNet and others, are incredibly valuable and form the foundation of how we respond.
We're working together with FirstNet Authority to look at areas where they need to overlap or supplement coverage. From the state of Tennessee's perspective, we need the coverage where people are. So we specifically have targeted interstates, major highways, our county seats, our state parks, and critical infrastructure. It's important that we get that feedback to FirstNet so that those reinvestment dollars are invested wisely from the beginning.
Engaging public safety, their voice is critically important. It's been important since day one when we formed this program. It's really helped shape where we're at today. So engaging with us, sharing their input, their needs, if we have that information, we can make well-informed decisions and make sure that we're trying to have the biggest impact on the collective public safety need.